Hello, world history student, and thank you for starting the credit recovery. And I'm going to kind of give you the rundown of how it all works. So, first, when you log into Canvas, you're going to see that you should click on the first quarter, second chance world history shell, which is right here. And as you get logged in, you're going to see the page that you found. So, you need to understand how everything's are labeled in here. In the list here, which I'll show you an example in a little bit, you're going to notice that there are sometimes three numbers, sometimes two numbers. So how does it break down? The first one is the unit, the second one is the lesson, and then the third number is whichever part we're on. So sometimes some lessons are just a little bit longer than others. So in this first quarter, you're going to be talking about Unit 1, the foundations of civilization, so early man. Unit 2 is going to be classical civilizations. So we're talking about the Greek, the Roman, and the early Chinese. And then we're going to get into Unit 3, which is post classical. And this is going to be mostly the Middle Ages. So you're going to talk about Europe, you're going to talk about the Muslims, you're going to talk about the Japanese, you're going to talk about the Mongols, which is pretty interesting stuff. But when you click into the module side, you're going to see what you need to do. So you are going to find all the things that are labeled lesson one point whatever or number point whatever, and those are Edpuzzles. So those are recorded videos that you're going to have to respond to the correct answer when asked. So where it says CR, then world unit, whatever, these are the presentations that I used when it came to recording the lessons. So again, just start at the top and work your way to the bottom. So some of these have a textbook that goes with it. You're not required to read it. However, if you need some extra information, this will actually help you. And you can use it when it comes time to write the summatives, which are right down in here. So please make sure you ask any questions that come up. And again, in order to pass this class, you must achieve a 75%. So right there. So that's why I'm saying every point matters. So make sure you're trying as best you can and giving your full attention on this. But again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask or email me, Mr. Block.